In previous sessions, we learned DDL and DML command. Okay. In this session, we learn DCL command. Before start today's session, like, share, subscribe to our channel. DCL stands for Data Control Language. DCL commands are used to grant and take back the authority from the database user. DCL commands include grant and revoke, which are used to control access to the database. Grant and revoke commands comes under data control language. Let's see one by one. Grant. The grant statement enables system administrators to assign privileges and roles to the MySQL user account so that they can use the assigned permissions on the database whenever required. Syntax: grant privileges on object to user1, user2 semicolon means we are giving permission to the another user. Example: grant select insert on student to hr at the rate localhost. Okay, we are given permission select and insert to the hr user. Okay, let's implement practically. Okay, we are login using root user. Okay, we are using root account, so password is root, enter. Okay, use hrdb. Okay, in hrdb there is student table. Select star from student. Okay, so student table is present under hrdb and hrdb database is created by root user. Okay, so we are login from another user. Okay, so how to login? Okay, select program files, then mysql. In mysql, select mysql server 8.0, then select bin folder here, cmd. Okay, cmd will open. Okay, so we are logging from another user hr. mysql -u hr is username -p. Okay, password is hr. So we want to access student table. Okay, before we want to access student table, we need to select hrdb database. Okay, so use hr underscore db, enter. Here access denied means you cannot access database hrdb. We are giving permission to the hr user by using grant command. Okay, so query is grant. Okay, so query is grant select insert on student to hr at the rate localhost. Okay, press enter. Query okay means you are given permission to hr user to access, and access means select and insert data into student table. Okay, so we are here. Okay, right now check out use hrdb. Okay, database change means you are given permission to the hr user. Okay, select star from student, semicolon, enter. Yes, you are selecting data from student table. It is created in root user. Now we are using delete command. Let's check data is deleted or not. Delete from student, semicolon, enter. Delete command denied to user HRDB means you cannot delete data from student table because root user only given select and insert permission to the H. Okay, so next command is revoke. It is used to take back permission from the user. Revoke statement withdraw access privileges given by the grant statement. Okay, by using revoke command you can take back permission given to the another user. Okay, syntax revoke privileges on object from user 1 comma user 2 semicolon. Okay, example revoke select comma insert on student from HR at the rate localhost. Okay, we are withdraw these permissions or these privileges select and insert from HR user. Okay, let's implement practically. Revoke select comma insert on student from HR at the rate local host. Okay, press enter, query OK. Now we are again use select command. Okay, select from student, enter. Here select command denied to user HR. It means by using revoke command we are withdraw these privileges from the HR user. If you like today's session, like, share, subscribe to our channel.